Welcome to the FX Options Weekly Outlook, a weekly podcast series hosted by Jason Ayres, a top instructor, trader, and founder of OptionSource.net. Join Jason as he discusses the latest trends in the Forex market with a look ahead on the US dollar versus the major currencies using the most commonly used technical indicators.
Well, hi there and welcome to the ISE FX Options Weekly Outlook for June 13th, 2011. As always, this is Jason Ayres of OptionSource.net. Let's take a look at the weekly chart of the US dollar index. This is a great way to gain perspective as to how the US dollar has been trading against a basket of currencies. Well, the dollar index reversed the losses from the previous week, closing back above that 75 focal zone last Friday. Now, failure to hold above 75 opens the window for a continuation lower for the dollar index. Now, consolidation above 75 lends credibility to a continuation to the upside with the 76-77 focal zone as a near-term resistance. Let's take a quick look at a daily snapshot of the U.S. dollar index, and we can see here that the daily chart reflects that significant move higher that took place on last Friday, closing just at that 75 level. Consolidation above 75 should confirm a continuation higher for the U.S. dollar against most of the major currencies. Next up, the CDD, the U.S. versus the Canadian dollar. Well, we can see that the CDD here appears to be forming a bullish ascending triangle. However, the 97-98 focal zone remains an important overhead resistance. A close above 98 should confirm a continuation to the upside. A break below 97 suggests a near-term move to the downside. Next up, the YUK, the U.S. versus the Japanese yen. Well, the YUK hovers at the 79.80 support level, a break of which suggests a continuation lower. Any upside move is likely to meet with resistance at this 81.82 focal zone. Let's take a look at the U.S. dollar versus the euro as seen here in the ISE FX Options Pair Value EUI. Well, the EUI finished last week strong with a test of the 69.70 resistance level. A break above 70 should confirm a bigger picture move higher. However, failure to close above the 69.70 focal zone is likely to yield a retest of support at 67.68. Let's take a look at the BPX, the U.S. versus the British pound. Well, the BPX made a significant move last Friday with a push towards the 61.5, 62 resistance level. A break above 62 should signal a move higher. Rejection at 61.5 is likely to yield a test of the 60.5 support. Let's take a look at the AUX, the U.S. versus the Australian dollar. Well, the AUX is currently testing a significant resistance level, and a break above 95 should signal a continuation to the upside. A break below 94 is likely to retest this 93 support. Let's take a look at a few of our key points. First of all, the U.S. dollar index staged a significant comeback last week with a close back above the 75 resistance. Consolidation above 75 lends credibility to further strengthening for the U.S. dollar against most of the majors. The CDD continues to find resistance in the 97-98 focal zone. The current trend appears to be to the upside with a possible ascending continuation triangle forming. We need to see a break above 98 to confirm a continuation to the upside. The YUK appears to be finding support at the 79.80 focal zone. A bounce is likely to meet with resistance at 81.82. A break below 79.5 signals a continuation lower. The EUI retraced significantly last week and is now testing the 70 level for resistance. A break above 70 lends credibility to a resumption of the uptrend. The BPX consolidated above 61 and finished last week with a significant push towards the 61.5, 62 resistance level. We need to see a break of 62 to lend credibility to a continuation higher. The AUX broke above 94 last Friday, suggesting a continuation higher. We need to be cautious of the 95 resistance level. A break above 95 will lend further credibility to the uptrend. And this has been your ISE FX Options Weekly Outlook for June 13th, 2011. As always, this is Jason Ayres of OptionSource.net, reminding you to sign up for your free webinar at www.optionsource.net. Thanks for joining me here this week. We'll see you here next week.
Thank you for participating in this week's session. Please join us again next week. For trading ideas, exchange rates, webinars, news, and commentary, visit www.fxoptions.com. Become an OptionSource.net member. Visit www.optionsource.net. ISE FX options can be easily traded through all options-enabled brokerage accounts. These exchange-listed securities are cash-settled in U.S. dollars and have a European-style exercise.